Okay. Good evening, the community member from Crust Network. This is Maxi from Crust Network, and I'm the product lead of Crust Network. And today, I will present you with the 30th community call of what is happening on the last month of April. And first of all, let's get to the monthly routine, the stats from our network data. From the last month of April, we can observe increase on the account number and the storage orders on chain, and with decrease on the node numbers. And from the technology side, in the last month, we have bring you with some new features and bug fixes and some progresses concerning ECDA and EVM storage. So let's get to them one by one. First of all is a new feature bring you, which is about ECDSA-based decap feature. This feature is about authentication services concerning the S-Worker. It is included in the new version release of S-Worker, which supports an ECDSA-based decap authentication. And all of the development and the testing are essentially complete, just waiting for overall release. And also, the enclave code for decap versions work, and the public key for signature verification of these authentication services have been submitted as a proposal to the mainnet Congress for voting approval. Also, for the last month, we have fixed several bugs, and the majority of the bugs is related with the S-Worker, and we have released a new version of S-Worker with the bug fixes on the previous one. Also, we have fixed some small bugs concerning the subscan. And the last is we are excited to bring some new progresses on EVM storage and ECDA. So from the EVM storage side, we have already make EVM storage contract. The applications on Crust, which is Crust Files and Crust Cloud, we get them supported on OP and Base, two of the leading layer 2s on Ethereum. And the deployment and the testing are in progress. Also, we have make Tansy network app chain support for EVM storage. Deployment and the testing also in progress. For the ECDA side, we are excited to bring you with the brand new official website at ecda.io, and you can check it out at the new page and about the new progress and all the design details about ECDA. And also, we have adapted to Polygon CDK DA interfaces. In the last month, we have participated in the Polysphere Twitter space discussing the technical, conceptual, and the liquidity advantages of Egg Layer, which is the new project proposed by Polygon for aggregated growth in the Polygon network and the ecosystem. Okay, for the second part, I will bring you with some news and updates of ecosystem growth of Crust Network. The first one is Crust joins Tansy incentivized testnet campaign. This campaign features a mix of on-chain and off-chain challenges designed for the Tansy and the Crust community together. Okay, the second one is we have Crust Network mentioned in Aptos ecosystem landscape. And we can find in this landscape, Crust was mentioned in the infrastructure section, together with other infrastructure projects. Okay, in April, Crust Network attended the Webstre Festival in Hong Kong and hold a booth with Polkadot friends. We are grateful for the invitation from Polkadot World, and we have insightful discussions with many of our friends in the Polkadot ecosystem about exciting possibilities ahead in Hong Kong. And another exciting thing happened in Hong Kong is we have this Crust screen lit up at Lan Kwai Fong in Hong Kong. Lan Kwai Fong to Hong Kong is like what Times Square to New York. So we have thousands of visitors caught a glimpse of Crust in Hong Kong. And on the other side of the earth, we have Crust Ambassador from our community giving a representation of Crust to deliver a speech at Polkadot Mexico event. And in one of those events called the Smart City Exposition in Curitiba, cases, our ambassador present about the infrastructure of Crust Network. The next one is about the pink airdrops, which have completed in the last month. Out of 5 rounds, airdrops done, and we will expecting more coming soon. And for the 5 rounds, which have been already completed in the last month, we have successfully distributed pink tokens to CrustFile users, Crust Cloud users, ESDA, DevNet users, Crust CRP and OCP members. But the fund is not over yet. The liquidity providers program continues with the next month. Also, there are some ecosystem progress haven't been included in this presentation, in these slides. We can name some, like the first one is Crust also joined the Twitter space with Polysophia, which we have just mentioned before, about the advantages of Egg Layer in terms of technology, philosophy, and liquidity. And the other one is the Web3 transfer educate series with Inco Club kicks off this week. Build your very own file sharing the app on Polkadot by attending Crust Network workshops. Okay, that is all about the progress updates and the new product release on the last month. If you have any question, you can text them in the Telegram group and we will answer them one by one. Thank you all from the Crust Network community.